Welcome back. I hope you're staying strong, positive, and your aura is protected. I hope you are meditating every day to make it more powerful and to make your life more successful. Let's see what's the reading for today. There is going to be a lot of fire energy around you. There are going to be certain surprises which will be there coming for you. You should be ready to go ahead and act on certain things. आपको prepare रहना है. आपकी life में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. आज आपकी life में कुछ चीज़ें होंगी for sure, जिसके ऊपर आपको ध्यान देना है. फायर एनर्जी बहुत रहेगी. यू शुड बी एबल टू गो हेड, यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर टू गो हेड एंड एक्ट ऑन. और ये फायर एनर्जी दिन के साथ साथ बढ़ेगी. यू विल फील मोर पैशनेट, वो मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. यू वुड, दो देयर वुड बी लिटिल बिट ऑफ फायर एनर्जी, तो आप थोड़ा रेस्टलेस भी फील करेंगे. ब्लड प्रेशर का आपको ध्यान रखना है. बट बहुत सारी पॉजिटिव चीज़ें होंगी आपकी लाइफ में. कुछ सरप्राइजेस रहेंगे, कुछ सिचुएशंस आएंगी which can be little difficult for other people to handle, but because you are high on fire energy, आपके लिए ये बहुत आसान रहेगा. आप अपनी चीज़ों को बहुत आसानी से, बहुत वाइसली अगर चूज़ करके आप उनके साथ डील करना चाहते हैं तो आप कर पाएंगे. अगर आप उनके साथ वाइसली डील नहीं करते हैं, then you can be little emotional. You would go ahead and get little emotional about it, but आप emotional इसलिए नहीं होंगे क्योंकि यू आर इन अ लूजिंग सिचुएशन. यू वुड बी लिटिल इमोशनल, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू वुड हैव ऑल द कंट्रोल. यू वुड एक्ट आउट वेरी नाइसली. People will respect you throughout the day for being such a great personality. Though you would be acting little emotional, but people will go ahead and aspire, and they would go ahead and get inspired by you for your intelligent ideas, for being impartial, for going ahead and giving certain kind of advices to them which would be very very beneficial for them. So lot of fire energy and lot of emotional contentment also which would be there for you. You just have to go ahead and communicate clearly. Make sure that when you are communicating and when you are acting out, it is absolutely unbiased and you are very very thorough and very clear what you have to say. Don't go ahead and say something which is not correct. And you have prosperity on your cards, so you would feel very very prosperous throughout the day. Whatever you, howsoever you would act, whatever decisions you would take, you would get all the prosperity and good luck. Stay tuned for more.